Hello dear students, welcome back to series of videos on ICET presented by Maitri Academy. I am Hari Krishna. The question which is on the screen is given in TS ICET question number 91. If you observe this question, the pass mark in a examination is 36%. A candidate got 17 marks and failed by 10 marks. The maximum marks in the examination are. So these type of questions you can easily solve just by taking less than 30 seconds of time if you follow the complete video. So if you are first time visiting Maitri Academy channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get complete notifications on the new videos which we are making. These questions can be solved by using a simple approach called unitary method. So what is unitary method? How to tackle the questions on unitary method? You can just observe. If 5 books, the weight of the 5 books is given as 5 kgs, then what is the weight of one book? So we can easily say weight of one book will be 1 kg. What is the weight of 3 books? 3 books weight will be 3 kgs. So this is what is called unitary method. So for example, for 5 rupees, you can buy 15 chocolates. For 5 rupees, you can buy 15 chocolates. So if you have 20 rupees, how many chocolates you can buy? So this is the unitary method question. So how can we solve? Just by taking like this 20 by 5 into 15. Further simplification will give you your answer. 5 ones are 5 threes are, mark the answer as 60. Or otherwise, you can just look at for 5 rupees you are getting 15 chocolates means for 1 rupee you will get 3 chocolates. For 20 rupees, 20 into 3, 60 chocolates. Anyways, doing like this will give you your answer choice. So if A is giving B, then C is giving what? So you can simply write C by A into B will be your question mark value. So this is what is the unitary method. All the questions you can comfortably solve using this unitary method. So let's jump into a simple question based on this. A student has to obtain 35% of the total marks to pass. He got 50 marks and failed by 20 marks. The maximum marks obtained are. So to solve this, so you are able to see that a student need to secure 35% of the total marks. What is meant by percentage? Percent. The name itself is indicating percent divided by 100. 35% means 35 marks he need to get out of 100 marks. That is the meaning of this 35% to pass. He got 50 marks and failed by 20 marks. What is the maximum marks in that examination is the question. So we can easily understand that 35 is the minimum pass mark for how many marks? For 100 marks. And as per the story, the person got 50 marks and failed by 20 marks. That means he got 50 and failed by 20 means the minimum pass mark in that examination should be 50 plus 20, which is equal to 70. So if 70 is the minimum pass mark, what is the maximum score in that? This is the question. You can apply basic unitary method to arrive your answer choice. So we can easily solve 70 divided by 35 into 100. So 35 ones are, 35 twos are, 2 into 100 is giving the 200. That is the maximum score the student need to secure. Mark the answer option C. Hope you understand. Moving forward to one more question. If you observe this question, a student has to secure 40% of the marks. So as soon as you see this statement, you can simply write 40 marks he need to get out of 100 marks. So this is a minimum pass mark. This is the maximum score in that particular exam. He secured 75 marks and declared fail by 45 marks. That means he got 75 and he got 45 less to pass in that exam. That means the minimum pass mark in that examination must be 75 plus 45, which is equal to 120. So if 120 is the minimum pass mark, what is the maximum marks in that exam? This is the question. So we can say 120 divided by 40 into 100. Further simplification is possible. 0, 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4 threes are. 3 into 100 will give a result as 300. Mark the answer, which is option D. Let's look at one more question on the same. A student has to get 35% of the marks. That means we can immediately write 35 is the minimum pass mark for 100. He got 125 marks and got 15 marks less than the necessary pass mark. What is the meaning of this? So 125 he got, and if he got 15 marks extra, he would have passed. That means the minimum pass mark in that examination is 125 plus 15, which is 140 marks. Then what is the maximum score in it? So you can apply unitary method. 140 divided by 35 into 100. This will give the answer for the maximum marks. So 7 5s are and 7 2s are, and further simplification is possible. 5 1s are, 5 4s are, 4 into 100 is 400. That is the maximum marks he need to secure. So this is the way of solving this type of questions. Let's try the question which is given in the TS ICET examination paper. So if you observe this question, the marks in the examination, the pass mark in the examination is 36 percentage. What is the meaning of this? He need to secure 36 marks out of 100 marks to pass or clear in that exam. A candidate got 17 marks and failed by 10 marks. That means he got 17 and failed by 10 marks, means the minimum pass marks required in that examination is 17 plus 10, which is equal to 27. If 27 is a minimum pass mark, what is the maximum score in that examination is the question. So you can apply basic unitary method to arrive your answer choice. So 27 divided by 36 into 100. So 9 3s are and 9 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 25s are. 25 into 3 is giving a result as 75. Mark your answer choice as option 2. Hope you understand how to tackle this type of model question. And this is a very important repeating model question from the percentages topic in SSC GD and SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, RRB, MAT and ICET is repeatedly giving this type of model question. And in recently TSPSC Group 4 also this type of model question is given. So just observe the video and please do the practice questions which I am showing now. Do right now and tell me your answer choice. Practice question number 1. Just look at the question. I will be with you. Just tell me the answer for the question. Practice question number 2. Practice question number 3. Practice question number 4. Solve these practice questions. Comment your answers in the chat box. Any queries are there, we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you.